I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, Milwaukee's come out with their next generation half-inch full-size Impact. Now, model is 2967-20 for the bare model, 21 one battery, 22 two batteries. Now, this new tool has a bunch of new features, but one of the biggest things I'm most excited about is they brought over the battery shock mount system from the 3/4 and 1-inch Impacts that helps with battery life. So the battery shock system was developed because, well, the first generation 1-inch Impact had a nasty habit of doing something. And that was when you're impacting away, the battery case would break and split apart, and then you've got a battery that's broken. And it's simply because of the shock of, impacting. With the shock mount system, it's going to help with those older batteries surviving because they just vibrate apart. They break at the seams. I mean, they have to be put together, obviously, and will help keep your older batteries from, well, literally flying apart. I've only had one battery do that, and it was on this gun, but it was an older battery. Between the two guns, this one's slightly lighter, which is a good thing because these things are chungus. Obviously, it's got more power because, you can't have a new model without more power. Now, it is taller because of the shock mount system for the battery. It's got 3 modes, standard Milwaukee stuff. It now has the updated 3-light system, which is always nice, along with the blunt face of the new generations. Of course, this is an initial impressions video. Got to take it to the shop, beat it up, give you my thoughts on it after I've used it for a while, because that's the test on them. Balance-wise, I think the new one balances a little bit better, but only slightly. Now, more power does mean a slightly bigger case. Thing about adding more power to a tool, there's only so many ways you can do it before durability suffers. So they had to go to a bigger impact gear and all that. So the case is slightly larger. Now, of course, we all know it's Milwaukee. It's gonna have some power to it. The old generation definitely had power to it. And of course, we'll see if it lives up to the reputation of this generation because, well, these were monsters. We all know they were monsters. More power. Feel like I got to do a Tim the Tool Man grunt. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.